Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a serious and concerning issue affecting our feathered friends down under. Australia is currently facing a massive bird flu outbreak, and it's spreading rapidly. More than 80 birds have already fallen victim to the deadly H5N1 virus, and it's only been 6 weeks since it arrived on their shores. This is a critical situation, and it's one that demands our attention and understanding. So, let's break it down and explore the implications of this devastating disease. First things first, the H5N1 virus is no joke. It's a highly contagious and deadly strain of bird flu that has already claimed millions of lives worldwide. Australia is now the last continent to have been hit by this global pandemic, and the impact is already being felt. The outbreak was first detected on Bodan Rocks, near Robe, where 49 greater crested terns were found dead, and 35 more were showing symptoms. This is a significant number of birds to die in such a short period, and it's a clear indication of the virus's rapid spread. What makes this even more concerning is the fact that the disease is now moving inland. South Australia has reported 3 suspected positive cases in other greater crested terns, including one inland at Monarto, which is home to several poultry farms. This suggests that the virus is not only affecting coastal areas but also poses a risk to poultry farms and the birds that inhabit them. Additionally, 3 silver gulls have been suspected of being positive, adding to the growing list of affected species. The Invasive Species Council's Jack Goff warns that the disease is starting to take off and mirroring the experience in South America, where early detections led to rapid increases in numbers and spread, resulting in mass mortality events in wildlife. He emphasizes that we are still in the early stages of this outbreak, but the potential for a massive die-off is very real. The fact that the virus was declared not eradicable just days before this event further highlights the urgency of the situation. The impact of this outbreak extends beyond the birds themselves. Victoria has confirmed its first cases of the virulent strain in a greater crested tern found in Portland, and the state is now joining the other affected regions. This includes Western Australia, South Australia, New South Wales, and Queensland. The disease has also been detected in Seal Bay on Kangaroo Island, raising concerns for the welfare of the area's endangered Australian sea lions, as tens of thousands of seals have already died from the disease worldwide. What makes this outbreak particularly challenging is the behavior and habits of the affected bird species. Silver gulls, for example, scavenge from dead or dying animals, making them highly susceptible to the virus. They also pick up detritus from water bodies, which are known breeding grounds for the disease. The large population of silver gulls and their ability to move into other habitats make them a significant concern. Sean Dooley, the National Affairs Advisor at BirdLife Australia, warns that these birds could be the vector that takes bird flu inland and into urban bird populations. The susceptibility of many native Australian bird species is also a cause for concern. With a high concentration of unique birds, it's unclear how many species will be affected. Birds that flock around water, such as sandwich terns, black-headed gulls, and northern gannets in Europe, as well as pelicans in Peru, have been particularly hard hit. This suggests that the disease may have a broader impact on bird populations worldwide. The mood at BirdLife Australia has been one of trying to suppress the sinking feeling as they witness the impact of the outbreak. The winter season for bird watchers along the coast has been one of the best in a decade, with rare petrels turning up in numbers. However, the presence of birds carrying the H5N1 virus has heavily tinged this positive experience. In conclusion, this bird flu outbreak in Australia is a serious and rapidly evolving crisis. The disease is spreading quickly, affecting a wide range of bird species, and posing a significant risk to poultry farms and endangered wildlife. As we continue to monitor this situation, it's crucial to understand the implications and take action to prevent further spread. Stay tuned for more updates, and let's hope for a swift and effective resolution to this devastating outbreak.